Coming up on today's episode of Technoid, only 2 stories and really just 2, one of them's a funny piece, but coming up on today's episode, the iPhone 9 or the iPhone SE2, whatever they're gonna call this thing, is finally entering production and should be coming out in March. It looks like the Samsung Galaxy Flip or the Z Flip phone has caused a lot of debate, but thankfully to a recent video, I'm gonna tell you why you guys should really stop really spreading false BS before you start opening your mouths. And also I'm going to show you the dumbest article I have seen literally in the last 10 years. Yes, in the last decade. The dumbest thing I have ever seen. All that, and that's really it for today's episode, so stay tuned. Yo, what's happening everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. Now guys, I hope you're having a good day. I know I am, and I just want to take this moment to say that today's episode is the last episode that I will be using my smartphone as a camera. The Media Mod is almost on its way. I just got the notification. It'll be here on Friday. So as soon as it comes, all new videos and episodes will be filmed on the GoPro with the better quality microphone, also the accessories, etc. I can't believe I had to spend $80 for a stupid accessory, but this is the last time you will be seeing my phone be used as a camera, so we had some good moments. So I want to take this moment of silence for my smartphone camera. But anyway, let's get this video started. So story number 1, let's get the funniest thing out of the way. That retarded article I saw. Now please, excuse my language. I don't like to be inflammatory when it comes to certain words like that, but this really is retarded. This article I saw was retarded. Phone Arena. What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Literally, they posted this article of the S30. Okay, time out. Okay. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, this is amazing. I'm sorry, but I can't take this seriously. They literally posted an article by this douche literally saying what he expects is the S30, the S30 Plus, and the S30 Ultra. Okay, time out. To this douche that wrote this article, I'm not trying to be mean, but dude, what are you doing? I mean, I know it's your job to write this shit, but like, really? The S30? You couldn't have picked the Note 20? Like, we're not even in the same universe from the 30 release. We don't even know we know nothing about it. What are you trying? And what's worse is that he goes into such great details of specs that are probably true, but nobody cares about the S30. This is worse than the Apple rumors. Like, honestly, no, it's about the same as the Apple rumors, but this is oh my god. Okay. All I'm going to say with this, guys, next time you read articles from the media, please take a little bit of courtesy because every single one of the media outlets are the dumbest that I've seen, especially Forbes, with their dumb clickbait titles just to make some profits. But this one takes the cake. I have never seen an article be posted a year and a quarter at least of its release. And there's no information on the S30. There is no speculations, no rumors, no designs, no concepts. Nobody is focused on that. We're focused on the Note 20 of all things, if anything. So this just feels like a contest of which media outlet is dumber. BRG, The Verge, Forbes, and now Phone Arena. Comment your thoughts down below. Alright. Let's move on. Story number 2. Let's talk. Alright. Let's talk the Galaxy Z Flip. Alright, so if you guys don't know, I talked about the Galaxy Z Flip and talked about it that day when it was unveiled. And I said that Jerry Rig was probably most likely going to do a durability test, and I was looking forward to that. Well, when he did his durability test, it turns out that apparently, for whatever reason, that there was supposedly no glass, that he claimed that when he did his first video, that there was no sign of glass, his scratch test. And everybody, including the news media, because of course they can't resist, they ran with this story that this thing was not glass. And honestly, at first I was going to believe it, but I always say, I'd rather see the teardown video than his durability test, because the teardown is what tells everything. And just so happened that when he tore the phone down, there was glass in the display. Now, it's not exactly a glass you're thinking of, but it's still glass. And even he said it, when he took off the bumpers, he started seeing fracture hairlines like glass. So, to all of you, I understand there is a security risk, not security. I'm sorry, I'm still shooken up over that article. But there is a durability scare when it comes to a phone like that, because you think, oh, it's glass, it's gonna be a little more protective. I get his aspect, but still, I don't blame him because he just made a video. He's talking things, and when the video comes out later and it clarifies everything, everyone tries to backtrack. So my advice to everybody next time, why don't you just wait till everything settles and then do your thing? I mean, it's okay to ask questions, it's good to get initial reactions, but when you blow it up to that mass, that's a whole other story. And this is why I waited, because I knew Samsung wouldn't lie. But of course, what else is new? And last story up of the day, let's talk the iPhone 9 real quick. So as you know, because of the supposed you-know-what that's happening in China, production for Apple products are really going to be delayed. But the iPhone 9/SE2, whatever they're going to call this phone, I swear to God, if they call it the iPhone 9, I'm going to get a baseball bat and I'm going to knock all my teeth out. But the iPhone 9 is basically now in production, and it will be coming out soon. And once again, the media is pushing this. I swear, this is like a media-infested news article. I don't know. But in all honesty, though, in all seriousness, the phone is entering production and will be available at the March event. Now, the rumor for the March event is March 31st. We don't know exactly what date it's going to be. There have been no invites, there have been no leaks, nothing. So, only thing I will say is I will definitely be on top of this. But honestly, I'm excited for the iPhone 9. It's been a while since Apple's made a smaller iPhone and a little more cheaper iPhone that people can afford. That, to me, is a perfect Apple product. It gets you into Apple, gets you into their ecosystem, and it does a job well. You get the latest specs, a different screen, etc. It doesn't matter. All that matters is the iPhone SE2, that's what I'm calling it. It's basically coming, and I'm excited. I really am excited for the iPhone SE2. I know a lot of my viewers on this channel do not like Apple. A lot of you say you hate Apple. Guys, listen to me well. Apple doesn't care. Okay? You may not like them, but they got money. So what does it matter? I'm not trying to be mean either. I'm not trying to be mean. But it's the truth. So, hey, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? And that's it for today's episode of Technoid. Now, guys, this was really not a serious episode. This was just for me having fun, because this was just a fun episode. You know, I just wanted to have some fun. So comment your thoughts down below. Let me know, are you going to look forward to the March event and the iPhone SE2? Let me know what, in your opinion, is the worst news outlet for tech news. I personally say Forbes and The Verge, maybe. But let me hear your thoughts down below. And that's it for today's episode, guys. And thank you all so much for subscribing and watching my videos, as always. I noticed there is a lack of views. That's mostly on me not being able to provide enough content every day. And I promise you guys, once I get the media mod and once I get everything set up, videos will be rolling out on a daily. That is it. Thank you for watching, and peace!